Looking for a healthier way to cook and a stylish upgrade for your kitchen? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best glass air fryers of 2025, featuring transparent designs, powerful performance, and smart features that let you see your food cook in real time. Whether you want oil-free crispy meals, safer materials, or modern kitchen tech, we've tested and researched the best options to help you choose the right one. All product links are available in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. 5. Boswell GAF004B. Upgrade your kitchen with our 7.5 QT glass air fryer, powered by advanced 360-degree hot air circulation for perfectly even, restaurant-quality cooking with no partial burning or sticking. The transparent, heat-resistant glass design lets you watch your food cook in real time without opening the lid, locking in heat for crisp fries, juicy chicken, and flawless results every time. With 5 one-touch presets plus full manual control up to 400 degrees Fairfreeze, you can fry, roast, bake, or slow cook with ease, while the 1800-watt rapid heating system delivers fast, evenly cooked meals in minutes. Cleanup is just as simple thanks to dishwasher-safe, non-toxic materials. And the included accessories make cooking safer and more convenient, perfect for busy weeknights or impressing guests effortlessly. 4-point Vexon 4208BD2A. Upgrade your kitchen with this intelligent, low-noise 6-in-1 air fryer designed for fast, healthy, and hassle-free cooking. Featuring 6 versatile modes: air frying, air barbecue, baking, thawing, reheating, and dehydration. It operates at under 48 dB, so you can cook without disruptive noise. The Smart Touch Control Panel offers custom presets with adjustable temperatures from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while built-in overheating protection automatically shuts the unit down for added safety. Its 360-degree transparent glass bowl lets you clearly monitor your food as it cooks, ensuring perfect results without burning, and it's easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. Powered by 360-degree circulating hot air, this air fryer delivers evenly cooked, crispy meals in minutes while reducing oil usage by up to 97%, giving you delicious flavor with less fat and more convenience. 3. Tixixi AF40. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tixixi air fryer, a smart 2-in-1 solution designed for both solo meals and family feasts. Featuring 5 one-touch cooking modes and powerful 1500 watts performance, it delivers evenly cooked, crispy favorites with up to 90% less oil, so you enjoy the taste you love in a healthier way. The dual replaceable glass containers let you switch effortlessly between a 6-cup single-serve option and a 4QT family-size fryer, while premium food-grade materials and transparent heat-resistant glass ensure safe cooking and real-time food monitoring. Cleanup is quick with dishwasher-safe components, and the clever nested storage design saves valuable counter and cabinet space. From quick snacks to full meals, the Tixix air fryer brings versatility, convenience, and modern style to every kitchen. 2. Big Boss 965. Upgrade your kitchen with the Big Boss oil-less air fryer, designed to deliver the crispy crunch you love with little to no oil. Powered by advanced 360 degrees convection heat, it gives you that deep-fried taste, while the smart dual bowl design keeps excess fat away from your food. This all-in-one powerhouse does it all: air fry, bake, roast, grill, and toast, thanks to its wide 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. Cook with confidence, knowing it's 100% Teflon-free and made without forever chemicals, prioritizing your health in every meal. Cleanup is effortless with the hassle-free auto-clean function and dishwasher-safe removable parts. With an extra-large 16-quart capacity, 3 cooking levels, and a bonus 50-recipe cookbook, you can prepare multiple dishes at once for the whole family. Simple controls ensure pro-level results every time, making healthy, delicious cooking easier than ever. One Ninja AS101CY. Meet the Ninja Crispy Pro Glass Countertop Air Fryer, the ultimate family-size cooking system built for power, versatility, and clean cooking. With an 1800-watt air fryer that can handle a 7.5-pound chicken and feed up to 10 people, this modular system adapts effortlessly to your needs using 2.5 cute, 4 QT, and 6 QT non-toxic clean crisp glassware. Enjoy 6-in-1 cooking functions, including max crisp, air fry, bake proof, roast, recrisp, and dehydrate, all with precise temperature control for consistent, perfect results. The durable, thermal shock-resistant glass goes from frozen to crispy in minutes, while leak-proof snap-lock lids make storage and meal prep easy. Designed with a sleek, modern look and fixed heat-safe feet for any countertop, this all-in-one set includes everything you need: glassware, crisper plates, storage lids, modular base, and a chef-inspired recipe book to cook, store, and serve with confidence. And that wraps up our top 5 best glass air fryers of 2025. Each of these models offers great performance, healthy cooking, and a clear glass design, so you can watch your food cook perfectly every time. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.